Okay, I've got my driver box here for my Tormach 4th axis. So inside of this box we have some, a stepper driver and a power supply and an Arduino Mega, and that's running an LCD screen on the front here so you can see what's going on. And we're going to show you how this works. So up here is where I set how many teeth. Okay, so let's say I want to cut a 16-tooth gear. Okay, and I'd come down here and I'd press these green buttons. So first, let me show you, we're starting at, give or take 0. And push the button, and our stepper motor's driving, and we end up at 22. Probably 22 and a half, because that's what that would be. Now we're at 45. Yeah, so this is the way we can basically make an arbitrary amount of gears, of teeth that we can cut on these gears. And all I got to do is just press these buttons to set it once, and then just in between tooth cutting, just press these green buttons. And this one goes backwards, in case you don't believe me. Yeah. Nice and easy. This tells me which tooth number I'm at, so I can kind of keep track of it all. And yeah, looks great.